Stop looking. You have found your dream home. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home features amazing upgrades. Home has luxury vinyl flooring throughout the home. It has an open floor plan great for entertaining. Kitchen has been upgraded with beautiful granite countertops and backsplash. Spacious master bathroom also features granite countertop. Master bedroom has his and hers walk-in closets. Walk out to the patio and enjoy the beautiful view of the pond and conservation from your panoramic enclosed extended lanai. All of this in the wonderful community of Meadow Pointe I. The low CDD includes garbage collection, along with great amenities. No HOA fees. Enjoy 2 community pools, basketball, tennis, pickleball, shuffleboard, volleyball, as well as a gym, activity rooms, playground, and splash pad. Are rated schools, Sandpine Elementary, John Long Middle, and Wiregrass Ranch High. What are you waiting for? You already found your dream home.